Tanker's Getaway, your travel blogger. Today I'm here in Zhemgang, the ecotourism capital in Bhutan. Right now I'm here in Tingtibi to attend Bhutan Bird Festival, which is one of the kind of festival in Bhutan which celebrates wilderness, wildlife, flora and fauna especially. And today is day one of the festival, and at the venue there are so many people. There are people from all walks of life, and especially from 8 gyuks in Zhemgang Zongkap. So the highlight of the day would be visiting stalls from all 8 gyuks and interacting with the local people and buying some really authentic souvenir from their gyuks.
이곳아 제인님과 저니타 살독가리 팔랑 방중 다파 베kur mopling 자 아니슈리 빌라라.
Alright, so today my basket is so full because there are so many souvenirs that I want to take back home. But before dropping my basket, I thought I'll just stop by at Goshing Gyok stall and grab myself huge jar of bangchang, which is quite popular drink here in King region, especially in Zhemgang. So yeah, cheers.
हममें गाँव ले रहे थे बांगचांग सीखे थे जागी सब या थे कुंगी बांगचांग सीखे थे तो वाला अन्य बेनी थे थे तंगपो तिंगपो तेरे की चिप चिप फिर रहे थे बांगचांग जी थे मेथमेट चिप बुक्ति में वाला ना थे सेकिम पी थे लखनऊ खाना सेकिम थे फिर जो कभी फिर जो नेगेटिव बेस फिर थे बांगचांग दी थे हमें की गाँव ले रहे थे दिनों से
Cheers! So this morning I'm here in Bti and I'm joining two of the most avid birders who are not only passionately birders but who has played major role in birding field in the country. So let's go and talk to them about the birding in Zhemgang. What are some of the birds that we find in Bhutan, or in particular in Zhemgang, which we cannot find anywhere else in the world?
Actually, the birds that are only found in certain areas are known as endemic.
Endemic.
We don't have any birds in Bhutan that are endemic.
Yes.
The white-bellied heron could become endemic only to Bhutan. Like for example, in Zhemgang we have the golden langur, okay, which is like endemic to Bhutan, and there's only just few pockets in Assam border in Bhutan that has the golden langur. So similarly, in birds we don't really have any endemic birds as such. But the reason why Bhutan is so popular for bird watching is because of the ease with which we can see many species.
Yes.
For example, like just driving from Thimphu to Zhemgang, you can see the amount of the number of altitudinal variations that you go through,
yes,
which means that much of corresponding biodiversity, which means ultimately very rich bird life.
Yes.
Yeah, so that's why Bhutan is very popular for bird watchers.
I see. And what do you think about Zhemgang Bhutan Bird Festival in particular taking place in Zhemgang?
You should go on, it's your department.
Okay.
Your department.
Yeah, let me just give you my personal views.
Yes.
I personally feel for any activity, I think the community should come first. So although the bird festival as such it may not be a great attraction for the real hardcore birders, because a hardcore birder will not want to come to a festival. They would like to get away from the crowd. But I think the festival has nonetheless done so much awareness. Like for example, there's quite a lot of economic activity going on during this festival, and then I think the very title called Bird Festival, it actually raised awareness on the importance of birds. So hopefully that can spur people's interest in conserving not just birds but wildlife in general.
Zhemgang is also one of the hotspots for fly fishing. I'm joined by ED of M2. Sir, what do you think about fly fishing activity?
I like it because it's legalized now for tourism.
Right.
And yes, indeed, you're right.
Right.
It is a hotspot.
I think so, yeah. Well, I'm not an expert in fly fishing, so I'm actually joining two of the avid fly fishers.
I've been fly fishing for about 8 years, and it's been a passion to chase all the aquatic species here in Bhutan. I'm a certified trainer, and I'm also a certified fly fishing guide here in Bhutan. And I also run a travel company which sells fly fishing expeditions and rafting and kayaking expeditions here in Bhutan. The ecotourism will definitely boom because we have to be in different communities all along the watershed, and all these communities will benefit because guests from outside, anglers from outside who are very keen on fly fishing or even spin fishing for our most revered and toughest freshwater fighting fish in the world, one of the toughest freshwater fighting fish in the world, and these fishes, this fish is known as the golden mahse, and everybody knows it as the sernyal over here in Bhutan. Well, about Zhemgang, it has been a very interesting place and a very peaceful place for me, especially when I come to chase for golden mahses. This is the place I want to come now.
So finally getting my gears on, ready to rock on this Mangdichu river. This will be my first time rafting on this river, so let's see. So fun rafting on Mangdichu River. How was it?
Oh, it was awesome.
Was it worth it?
Absolutely.
Worth
But
the
it should come.
fear? She's the most composed one. She's not even wet. Any comments?
Oh, I loved it.
Look at her, so dainty. Captain got wet.
Took one for the team.
The boss. And the non-swimmer. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
Wow, so it's a beautiful hiking day today. Zhemgang truly is land covered with lots of greens. In fact, Zhemgang is the only Dzongkhag in country which has more than 90% of forest coverage, and you just see it like when you hike around. Last but not the least, if you're wondering where to stay when you're coming to Zhemgang, and in particular if you come to Tingtibi area, I would definitely recommend you all to stay at Bti Lodge. So beautiful. It gives you that ambience of really being in the nature, and the best thing about this lodge is this balcony with the priceless view. Wake up early in the morning, have a cup of coffee and enjoy the river view, and at the same time bird watching there. It's quite refreshing and relaxing here. So my stay in Zhemgang is complete with this staycation.